Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I am Professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video my home. I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Hirakata Park. Hirakata Park is an amusement park in Hirakata City, Osaka. It is one of the oldest amusement park in Japan. It opened in 1910s, so it has a long history. You can go there by train in about 30 minutes from Osaka City. This park is special because it feels both old and new. There are big rides to enjoy excitement, and there are also small rides that children can enjoy safely. The park is not very large, so it's easy to walk around. This makes it a good place for families and couples. One famous topic is the park director Junichi Okada, who is a well-known Japanese actor. He appears in funny posters and signs in the park. These posters become popular on social media. Many people say they show a warm and playful Japanese style. Hirakata Park also has events in every season. In spring, you can see cherry blossoms. In summer, there is a big pool area called the Boon, which is popular to cool down. In autumn, there are Halloween events. In winter, the park has beautiful illuminations that are nice to see at night. There are restaurants in the park that serve Japanese food and cute character meals. Recently, more signs in English were added to help foreign visitors. This makes the park easy to enjoy for people from other countries. Hirakata Park is a good place to feel Japanese daily life and fun culture. It's a nice choice for visitors who want to enjoy a friendly and local amusement park near Osaka. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.